Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take long screenshot in iPhone. So if you are looking for a way to take scrolling screenshot of a web page on iPhone, then this video is for you. So keep watching. First open Safari browser on your iPhone and open the web page of which you want to take a screenshot. Let's open a website to take a screenshot. As you can see, the web page is pretty long. Now, in order to take a screenshot, press power button and volume up button simultaneously. When you press this button combination, the screenshot gets captured. This screenshot will disappear in 3 to 5 seconds, so you need to act fast. And now you can see the screenshot on the bottom left side. Tap on the screenshot. Now on the screen, tap full page option. So we have captured screenshot of the entire web page. On the top you will find the option to crop the screenshot. Well, for me it is very difficult to crop such a tiny image, but you can give a try. Once done, tap on Done button. Now from menu, tap on Save PDF to Files option. Here you need to select the location to save the screenshot and tap on Save button. So that is how you can capture long scrolling screenshot in iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.